It's really fascinating. The whole automotive industry changes with AI. We need AI in the shop floor for better performance, for higher quality products. We have a cycle time from 60 seconds in that production line, and we need to ensure around about 2,000 welding spots in that 60 seconds. Weld splatters are a problem in our manufacturing process. They can defect our wiring and they can hurt the workers. In that production line, we have 8 cameras. They take a picture of each body and we send that to the industrial edge and to the AI model. Then we get the result directly to our PLC. And then we guide the workers to the welding spots, to the defects on the car body.
Our industrial AI suite portfolio provides a secure, reliable and standardized infrastructure running on industrial edge.
The AI model is trained and developed by Audi. We use the camera pictures from our production line and we train it on our cloud infrastructure and then deploy it on the shop floor. For us, it's very important that it's a standard solution because we can roll it out on every shop floor and it's scalable.
We are providing the AI inference server, which makes it easier to implement and to run the model on the shop floor. And we have the infinite loop of retraining and redeployment across the factories.
In future, we will have a lot of AI solutions. The Siemens Industrial AI Suite and the Industrial Edge helps us to deploy the future use cases in our factories.